And yes, Oblivion Remastered are working now with X4FG. Actually, this is so playable. Like, what? This is so smooth. Nice. This video sponsor is our website, NodeXTech. Make sure to check it. All the files in this video are going to be there. After downloading the files from the website, extract this, then go here, get the engine folder, copy this, go to your game folder location and paste here. It says replace, so you have to replace this. We are updating the in-game DLSS FG. Other thing you have to do, go again here, go to DLSS enabler, copy everything from here, go to the game folder location, Oblivion Remastered, then binaries, Windows 64, and paste here. Make sure to disable signature override. Now launch your game. Are here in the game as you can see, and when we go down, we cannot enable DLSS frame generation, and this mod requires this to be enabled. So first thing you have to do is click on the insert key, and here in the frame generation section, enable this. Don't forget to save and close this. Another thing you have to do is clicking on this button. This menu will show up, and here what you have to do is reflex boost, make it on, MFG mode override, set it to X3 or X4. In this video you are going to use the X4. You can enable the stats bar to see your frames and latency, game start boost. Don't enable this because you will have problem. I have just a note, I get those from the DLSS enabler developer. I will give you the Discord link to help them to improve the app, so send them your feedback and send your problems to help, as I said, to improve the app. Here, just save by clicking here and restart your game. Okay, I relaunched the game, and as you can see, it's so good. There is some ghosting, to be clear, but the overall experience, it's okay. Some people are saying that the latency, it's so bad. I will say this mod is not made to save your performance from 20 frames or so and make it like make your 1050 Ti and 5090 or so. It's like an improvement over the good experience. So if you are getting around 60, 70 frames, the experience is going to be so good with this mod. Like you are going from 60 to around 150, so this is so good. The monitors now are so cheap. I think that this is a good experience. I am using my 3060. This game has a lot of problems, but this mod, as you can see, working, everything is good. If you have a game in your mind, just tell me. I will try to make a mod for you and a video for you, of course. See you in the next one.